this device that I have come up with, using this bar, it allows me to move the instrument left and right on that platform. Okay. It allows me to use this to cause the autorefractor to go up and down and swivel left and right. And when you want to move left and right, you want to use the this little platform right here, because then you're moving left and right and staying straight into the eye, and that's very important. Now, with this setup, you'll have to download from Play School this application called SwitchBot. And I've already, in my documentation, I tell you how to set it up.
Okay.
All right, now this right here is a small little monitor that shows the autorefractor output on this first quadrant. This is a straight-in camera that points straight to the face of the patient. This is a left side camera, and this is a right side camera. And both cameras will allow you to see as much as you can. You see just now the autorefractor powered off, and that's why it says loss. Now when I press on this instrument, if I press the print button right here, and I press the print button, it transmits across to the computer, which I may have seen a few seconds ago. And when I've got the reading, then I can use this Dymo printer and print out a pick list for the patient. So this is speed control is automatically set. I've got it hard set to be slow, because in the fast mode you really can't zoom in on the eye properly. Now I also have in this setup, I have an extension cord for this little remote control for the pan zoom, the motorized pan zoom. I have this extension cord. I also have an extension cord right here that's extend the connection from the autorefractor over here, where it plugs into the back of the computer here. Now this little is called a quad splitter. By default, when it comes up, it'll be showing these 4 quadrants. Now, if you want to, if you press on this button right here, it shows what is the AR only, autorefractor only button. If I power it up right here, and you can see it coming up saying Retinomax 3. Now, if I click this button here, you can see it says all. If I press this button here, you can see now all 4 quadrants: left, right, camera, top camera, looking straight toward the patient's head. So all this is part of the setup that I have, along with a plug strip down there. There's a little cover you'll see that's right on top of the autorefractor that will shade the patient. It works best if you have that on there. For a patient who has very tiny pupils, it causes them to enlarge, which is what you want to do for the autorefractor to get a measurement. So I think that covers everything about it. The document I provided on assembly instructions should give you all the details as to how to assemble this setup and get it working for yourself. But again, all you have is here, and this application you have to download either on your iPhone or on an Android phone, and I have instructions in the assembly manual as to how to set up. And all that stuff is placed in a large box that I'll be shipping to you over there. And right now she's got her chin on the chin rest, pushed up as far as she can. She's very close to the computer. I've already powered it up with this power on button on the switch spot. Move over to her right eye. Move down. Keep pushing in there. Okay, I've got it centered, hang in there. And I'll press the start button. Okay, I'm going to move over to the other eye. Before I tell the computer I've moved over to the other eye. And there's the other eye. Move it up a little bit. Get it centered in the eye. Press the start, switch it over to the other computer, it switched over to the left eye. And then I'm going to press the print button. And transmit it over to the computer. You should see that on the computer. Okay, Jill,